Top 5 mistakes when you buy an automatic bike wash machine. Would you ever spend thousands of dollars on machine only to realize later you bought the wrong one? Sadly, this happens all the time in the automatic bike wash business. People rushing, excited about the idea, but they end up making costly mistakes that eat into their profits, frustrates their staff, and even drive customers away. In today's video, I will expose the top 5 mistakes people make when buying an automatic bike wash machine so you don't fall into the same trap. Automatic bike wash machines are booming right now in countries where motorbike dominate the street, like Vietnam, Indonesia, India, and many parts of Africa. This business is exploding. Investors see huge potential, but here is the truth. Buying the wrong machine is not just a small hiccup. It can sink your investment. The problem, too many people buy based on hype, cheap bright talk, or shining promise. They don't ask the right question, and by the time they realize their mistake, it's already too late. Then let's break down the 5 biggest mistakes you must avoid. Mistake 1. Choosing price over quality. The first and most common mistake, chasing the cheapest machine. Look, I get it. Every investor wants to save money, but a $5,000 machine can break down every month. In fact, more expensive than a $15,000 machine that's run for years with minimal maintenance. Cheap machine often mean poor material, weak motor, and zero after-sales service. Always think long-term ROI, not short-term saving. Mistake 2. Ignoring local market needs. Not every market is the same. A machine designed for European scooter may not work well with heavy-duty motorbike in Asia or Africa. Handlebar weight, mud levels, water quality, these all matter. Many investors forget to track compatibility, only to discover later that half their customers bikes don't fit or don't get fully cleaned. Do your homework and choose a machine designed for your local condition. Mistake 3. Forgetting about after-sales support. Buying the machine is just step 1. What happens when you need spare part, training, or technical support? Too many buy a big supplier with no real service team. The result, wait or downtime while waiting for parts, frustrates customers, and lost revenue. With Go&Go, for example, we provide training, spare parts, and even remote support because we know that's what keeps your business running. Don't just buy a machine, buy a partnership. Mistake 4. Underestimate space and power requirement. Here is the mistake people rarely think about. Space, you buy the machine, get excited, then realize it does not fit your location. Or worse, you don't have the right electrical system to power it. An automatic bike wash machine might need 220 volts or 380 volts. If you overlook this, you will spend thousands more upgrading your site. Always double check the space, water supply, drain air, and electricity before making the purchase. Mistake 5. Not calculating ROI properly. And finally, the silent killer, failing to calculate ROI. Many buyers just think, oh, if I wash 100 bikes a day, I will make money. But they forgot about the chemical, electricity, water, labor, and downtime. ROI is not guesswork, it's math. The smart investor run the number before they buy. They know exactly how many bikes per day, at what price, will pay back their investment in 6, 20, or 18 months. If you don't calculate ROI, you are claiming, not investing. So let's recap quickly. Don't buy cheap, buy reliable. Match the machine to your local market. secure after-sales support, track your space and power, always calculate ROI. Avoiding these buying mistakes, you can save you thousands of dollars and months of frustration. Imagine owning a business that runs smoothly, customer line up because they buy and clean in minutes, and you sleep peacefully knowing your mission is reliable and profitable. That is the difference between failure and success in industry. If you are serious about investing in an automatic bike wash machine, do it the smart way. At Go&Go, we have spent years designing systems specifically for high-volume motorbike market. We provide not just machine, but training, installation support, and reliable after-sales service, so you never feel left alone. Click the link in the description to watch our machine in action, calculate your ROI, and see why hundreds of entrepreneurs are already making money with Go&Go. Don't let mistakes drain your wallet. Learn from others, make the right choice, and turn the investment into a profitable business from day one.